Okay, today we are going to talk about the JavaScript output. We can output the result in the display by using innerHTML, Document.write, window.alert, and console.log. So we are writing the first code by using getElementById. So for this, go to the Visual Code Studio or any Sublime Text or any other platform where you can write the code. HTML5. Now in the body tag we are inserting heading 1, my first web page. In the paragraph, my first paragraph. Okay, now in the paragraph we are giving an ID named as demo and close the paragraph. Then after we are introducing the script for the JavaScript document. We are going to output element by id and in the bracket demo, which we are using the same idea, and the output of these functions will go to here. Dot inner HTML equals 5 plus 6 and close it and close the script. Okay, now save using Ctrl+S and open in the live server. Yes, the answer is 11, which was calculated in here, and it gives the result to here. And another method of output the result is Document.write. For this we used the same HTML tag, and in the body tag h1 my first web. In the paragraph tag you can write my first paragraph. In now you should introduce the JavaScript using script tag and Document.write. It is I am going to output my result by using Document.write, and in here the output should be given here 5 plus 6, and close the script. It is already closed, so Control and save, Control and yes, and open in the live server. Yes, the result is 11. Now the another way of output the result by using button, on click button. So this would be more interesting to see. HTML5, and in the body tag same as h1 tag and my first web page. In the paragraph tag my first paragraph. You should you can or you cannot write, you can edit in the as in the previous code, but I typed it to make you clear. And for the button use button key and type equals to button, and on click I will write the code document, on clicking the button, you will go to the code document.write 5 plus 6 and close the bracket and close the tag, and in here you can write as you wish. I write it, try it. So when you click at try it, this code will run and give the result. Let's save it, control and yes, and run in live server. Yes, here is try it. Let's try it. Okay, the answer is 11. Now another way of outputting the result is by using alert. Let's code it again. HTML5 in the body tag, again h1 my first web page. In the paragraph tag, my first paragraph, and in the script introduce the JavaScript window.alert bracket 5 plus 6, and when you use script tag you should always write here semicolon before closing the tag. script script tag is closed, and let's save it, control S and open with live server. Okay, the 127.0 says 11. The result is 11 and it is in the alert form. Now another method is using console. By using console.log we can also give the result. For this I use HTML5, and in the body tag I directly write script, close the script, and in here console.log and 5 plus 6. Okay, then after semicolon, and let's save it and run in open server. You cannot see anything here. In this console you should open the inspect element and go to the console. You can see the result here. Okay, and again reloading it, the answer will be here 11 in the console. Okay, this is another type of output. And another things that I am going to show you is print options. For this HTML5, and in the body tag write button, and on click window, this is the function dot print, this is the function. And what should I print? What should I give to that button? Name of that button is print this page, and that page will be print out. For example, I will give the paragraph I am here and run it. Before run it, save it and open it live server. Yes, I am here, and when I print it, this page will be printed. Okay, this much for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please keep like, subscribe and comment.